Hi viewers, welcome to our YouTube video where we delve into the world of growing potatoes. Join us as we unlock the secrets to cultivating these versatile and nutritious tubers in your own backyard. From selecting the right varieties to understanding the planting techniques and caring for your potato plants. Get ready to embark on a journey of growing success and savor the joy of harvesting your own homegrown potatoes. Number 1. Choosing the perfect potatoes varieties. Before you begin growing potatoes, it's essential to choose the right varieties based on your own preferences and growing conditions. From buttery Yukon Gold to starchy, Russets and colorful fingerlings, there is a wide array of potato options available. Consider factors such as taste, texture, and suitability for different culinary uses. Additionally, pay attention to disease resistance and adaptability to your local climate. By selecting the perfect potato varieties, you set the foundation for a successful and rewarding growing experience. Number 2. Preparing and planting potatoes. Proper preparation and planting techniques are key to maximizing potato growth and yield. Start by chitting or sprouting your potato seedling to encourage strong and healthy sprouts. Choose a sunny location in your garden with well-drained soil. Prepare the soil by loosening it and incorporating organic matter to improve fertility and drainage. Plant the seed potatoes in shallow trenches or mounds, ensuring the sprouts face upward. Cover them with soil and provide adequate spacing to allow for growth and airflow. Cultivating and caring for potato plants. Potato plants require regular care and attention to ensure optimal growth and development. Water the plant consistently, providing sufficient moisture without overwatering. Keep the soil evenly moisture, especially during the critical periods of tuber formation. Regularly weed around the plants to reduce competition for nutrients and minimize the risk of diseases. As the plant grow, hill or mount soil around the base of the stem to promote tuber formation and protect developing potatoes from sunlight, which can cause them to turn green. Number 4. Harvesting and enjoying homegrown potatoes. The amount of harvest is one of the most rewarding experiences in growing potatoes. Wait until the foliage turns yellow and begins to die back before harvesting. Gently dig around the plant to unearth the potatoes, taking care not to damage them. Once harvested, allow the potatoes to dry and cure in a cool, dark and well ventilated area for a couple of weeks. Then savor the fruits of your labor by preparing delicious potato dishes such as roasted potatoes, mashed potatoes, or crispy fries. The taste of freshly harvested home-grown potatoes is incomparable. Conclusion: growing potatoes is a gratifying endeavor that allows you to experience the joy of cultivating your own food. By selecting the right varieties, mastering planting techniques, and providing proper care, you can successfully grow a abundant potato harvest. So roll up your sleeves, grab your gardening tools, and embark a journey of potato growing delight that will fill your pantry and your plate with homegrown goodness. Thank you for watching our video.